Yep, guess what? I have another great cleaning tutorial for you today. Okay, one of the first things you want to do is gather all your supplies, okay? So we have hydrogen peroxide, that'll help lift the stain, Dawn, which will help scrub the poop out, Vinegar, this is a vinegar cleaning spray from 4 Monks that will help with that, spray bottle to put it in, OxiClean will help lift the stain, baking soda for the smell, a measuring cup, an optional carpet scrub brush, optional gloves, paper towels, and you also need some other clean white towels. You're going to get 1 1/3 cups of warm water and pour it into a spray bottle. You probably want to use a little bigger spray bottle than I actually use, so it's a little easier to mix everything in. Maybe about a scoop up to about the lowest line. You don't want a lot in there. Okay.
Yeah.
Pour it in there. Okay, once it's all in, take it out. Put it aside. You're going to grab hydrogen peroxide. You're going to put 2 tablespoons in there. Okay. Okay, now you will put your lid on your spray bottle, tighten it all down, and then shake it up. Spray the solution onto the stain, soaking it thoroughly. Now, if the spray bottle clogs or otherwise doesn't let you spray it very well, go ahead and pour it out just like I did. Then you're going to scrub it in and you're going to wipe it up with some dish towels or some paper towels and just get up that stain from the floor as much as you can in kind of this initial pass. But you are going to go back and do it again. You're going to pour some more solution onto the stain, scrub it back in real well, and soak it back up and clean up that kind of soapy solution here initially. Now we're going to rinse it with some warm and clean water, just straight up water, and then soak it up here with some towels. Now it's going to be super wet, so it's going to take a lot of towels and a lot of time to kind of get all that soap residue off the floor. My daughter, who helped make this mess, is helping me clean it up, and she's doing a great job of it too. And again, we switched out to paper towels eventually. Either way works great.
Stand. It's okay. Soak up again.
To remove the poop smell from your carpet, go ahead and spray it with some vinegar from a spray bottle and then blot it up. Once the carpet is all dry, you can gently sprinkle some baking soda onto it just to remove any lingering smell and to make it real fresh. You'll vacuum it up and that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more great cleaning tutorials.